Well, hello and welcome to the SaturdayMP show, episode number 80, being recorded mostly live, January 8th, it's not 2025, it's 2026. I think I might have messed it up in the last video. But anyway, 2026, New Year dates are hard, especially if anyone ever had to write checks back in the day. I don't know. If you had to write checks, I always got the dates wrong when I had to write checks for my rent back in the day. But all right, let's stuff of that. My name is Chris. And I don't know what this show's about anymore, but today we're going to be working on PostCast, which is kind of an idea that was actually inspired by someone else who's on the show today, whose name is Omar. And he had the idea that he's a host of the weekly dev chat along with myself and Norm. And he just got sick and tired. I can't remember if it's Omar or Norm. Anyway, they got sick and tired of having to post to like LinkedIn, to Slack, and various other places whenever we did whenever we had a new every week we try to post our topic for the weekly dev chat, and whenever we did that, we posted to all these different social media places, and they hated having to repost it. So we're trying to work on an application that will hopefully, I guess here's the weekly dev chat. Oh, there's Omar right there. That will hopefully just post this kind of like this last thing here, this topic here. It'll post it to the two big ones we have are Slack and LinkedIn, and then hopefully we can expand it to other ones on there. So Omar, why don't you introduce yourself, and then we can start hacking away.
Yeah, hey Chris, it's good to be here. And I'm happy to be working on this application together. And yeah, it's been a pain being the co-host of the weekly dev chat, and it's just kind of one of those itches that you want to scratch. You know, you're posting to multiple places, and you're just, as a programmer, it's like repetition is always kind of something that immediately says that let's find a better way, right? It's like it just kept kind of ringing in my head that there must be a better way than posting the same thing over and over again in multiple different places. Yeah, besides co-hosting, I do software development, web development. I'm also, coming from a music and economics background, and teaching and all kinds of things. Ran a farm at some point.
You I didn't know you ran a farm.
I did, yeah.
What the heck
Yeah,
did you
back
grow
in
at your farm?
we grew all kinds of stuff. We grew green beans, we grew mango, we grew grapes. So we had vineyards.
Oh wow. Oh, is this when you were
Yeah,
in Egypt?
that's right. Yeah,
Oh,
this
that's
was out in
amazing.
the
Okay.
yeah, out in the desert. It's amazing what you can do with modern technology, you know?
Oh, yeah, that's pretty. I've seen stuff grow in the desert in California, but I've never been to Egypt. But yeah, it is pretty amazing to come around the corner and see like a green field, and you're like, what the heck?
Yeah. Yeah, you can basically just kind of create these environments using plastic. A lot of you just need you need an infrastructure and a lot of plastic. Um,
Plastic for all the
yeah,
irrigation tubes. Yeah.
for all the covers, you're just kind of making these like kind of greenhouses type
Oh,
tunnels.
oh,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Well, maybe we'll start uh, a gardening video or something podcast later. Is there a website people can find you at?
Yeah, it's Ashur, Ashhour. It's my last
ASHOUR
name.
.ca.
.ca.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's right. Yeah, you have. Oh, there you are. So if you're
Yeah.
ever looking for information on Omar, there you go. All
Yeah.
right.
Yeah. Feel
Cool.
free to reach out on, the social profiles. Unfortunately, I'm only using LinkedIn at the moment for social media. I got off a lot of the other stuff. Thinking about getting into Mastodon. I know Chris, you've got
Yeah.
you're active there. But yeah, I think I'd like to explore that more. But yeah, feel free to reach out on LinkedIn, email.
All right. And then, of course, if you have any questions or anything, you can send ask@SaturdayMP.com. There's one podcast listening. They say reread every email you send. Well, no one sends me any email, so I don't have to read any. But if you sent one, I probably would read it because I don't get a lot. So, or just leave them in the YouTube comments down below. Any suggestions or any stuff you want us to cover in a future video. So, okay, but today I don't know, we're like 5 minutes in. We haven't even done nothing yet. Let's get working on part 2. So if you watched part 1 of the video, it was just me setting up a Go environment. So I got a basic Go application up and running with Fyne. I'm assuming I'm saying that correctly. Fyne, Fyne, which is a GUI kind of library toolkit for Go, and it's all up and running. Yeah, so there. And then, oh yeah, something we should have recorded this too, is we figured out how to make this scale properly for Windows subsystem for Linux, which Omar and I weren't recording. We should have done that. But anyway, we got a basic application running. It's Windows subsystem for Linux. That's why it might look a little weird on Windows here. But yeah, it's all up and running. So today I think, I don't know, it depends how far we get. I always think I'll get further than I do. I think we want to kind of create just kind of the area to enter some text, and then maybe we'll get to the credential storage. I'm not 100% sure. So we'll see how far we get in the next hour or two until Omar and I get bored and or we got to go eat lunch or other commitments come up. So, and then I don't know. I'm like always excited to try these agents. So I think it'll be a combination of GitHub Copilot. And I also have a Claude subscription here too. So we can use the Claude agent and we'll just see what happens. And again, I'm not very familiar with Go. You're not very familiar with Go either, Omar. So it's kind of like the blind leading the blind.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll see how this goes. So okay, so what's the first thing? So we got I guess the first thing we wanted to do, we talked about a little bit before this. So people watching, this is mostly live. We're probably going to screw up. Some of my videos are just an hour of me messing up. But we did do a little bit of discussion beforehand where we decided that we wanted to, like, we'll get this main.go, like we'll move main into here, into the proper spot. And as far as I know, this is the correct kind of layout that Go applications do. So it has like a command, so you can have like main.go will be the GUI. If we ever wanted just a command line version, we would put it under here as well. That's kind of where all these commands go. The UI, this is obviously all the screens, I'm assuming will go in here. Internal will be, I think, all the back, like this looks like a lot of the back end stuff, configuring. Of course, we'll have, oh yeah, I don't know how we're going to get assets. We'll have to get someone to maybe create some assets, or you get ChatGPT to create some for us. So, and then build, I guess the build outputs is where that goes. I don't know. We usually don't commit those anyway. So,
Yeah, I think that might be when you run the go build command, I would assume.
yeah, I never. So if I just go build, what happens?
Yeah, so it added something there.
Oh, that must be the executable. That's probably
That's the executable, yeah. So you
yeah.
should be able to actually open that up,
Oh yeah,
shouldn't you?
yes.
And it should, yeah.
No, what do you mean open it up?
Well, like, can you just open up that application now, like right from
You
just
mean
clicking on the executable file, like in the directory?
Oh, okay. Well, I'm on Linux. I can't just click on it, but I could. Oh, yeah. I see what you're saying. Run it. Yeah. I was gonna say it's a binary one. You
Run it,
can't.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. We just run it. So it's compiled
Yeah,
for
okay.
Linux. I doubt it would work on Windows. We probably have to compile it differently.
Right, okay.
Oh, okay. So that's cool. Okay. So let's clean this up though. So we don't need this right now. Delete permanently. Sure. I don't need this Fyne setup anymore. So let's just get rid of, what else do I need to get rid of? I had this Fyne setup. I don't need that. I don't need this user. Nope. Don't want to do that. That would have been bad. I don't know why it keeps putting the dot in there. Okay.
I'm wondering,
Okay.
I'm kind of going to throw this idea out
Yeah.
because from watching your video, when you were sort of just doing setting up the environment, um, thinking about like before adding too much code, if we should try to compile the very basic application in the multiple
Oh.
architectures
Oh, okay, okay. Because there
and to
was. Oh, sorry. Go ahead, Omar. Yeah.
yeah, just to see if things will work um, as a very, very kind of minimal application that we have right now, using the Fyne package. Just
Right.
so, in case we kind of need
Okay. Here we
to
go.
switch gears right away.
Oh.
Like it
Okay.
would be a shame if this didn't work on.
Yeah. That's. Yeah. I guess that's my goal is to get it to work on Windows, Mac, and Linux. If it didn't work on
Yeah,
all three, okay. Okay. It's it's all this cross compiling crap. Okay. Uh. Build. This is a computer rebuilding the cross compiler host. Oh, okay. So this is where you're going to build it. This is where you're going to run it. That will run the cross compiler. Uh,
because I'm running a Mac here, so I mean that's between both of us, we should be able to test it on
yeah. Oh,
those
this
those
is
three.
this is install. This is compiling Go. I don't want that. I want Go compile app for Windows. I don't want to recompile Go. Uh, I found a place last time. I never watched my old videos, but Go compile. Or I think there was there a package command for an OS? Platform. Oh, so I think this.
It says it's integrated into the Go build tool.
Docs. Oh yeah, deploying and publishing modules. Was this it? Nope, not a module. Or maybe it was maybe it was Fyne that outlined how to do it. Fyne had a.
Yeah, there's the compiling for different platforms.
Yeah,
And
okay, here. To run on a mobile device. Right. So you could do iOS, but you could also do. Okay, I think
Darwin, Windows, and Linux. Yeah.
yeah.
To cross compile a Fyne application, you'll also have to set CGO enabled equals 1, which tells Go to enable the C compiler.
Oh, where are you reading that?
So this is, I could put it in here for you. So yeah, I put it in the chat there. So docs.fyne.io, and it's in the cross compiling /started/cross compiling.
Oh, there it is. Okay. Copy link. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is what I was looking at the other day. Okay. It's designed to be simple. Okay. So what is the best way to do this? Do we? Okay.
Oh yeah, okay. This might actually not be too too bad to do in Go. I think that might be. I'm. Yeah. Well, let's see.
So Linux. I have GCC installed. Do I need the... Okay. With the environment variables set above. Missing packages. As the Linux system is able to cross-compile to Mac and Windows easily. Oh, okay. Well, that's a good sign. So I could... Maybe we don't need like 3 separate builds. Okay, so Darwin, that's Apple. Linux.
No.
AMD. Okay. So what do you think? Should we just try installing this Fyne-Cross? Because you have a Mac, you're on a Mac right now, right?
Yeah.
Like I have one at home, but like I'd have to go get it. So okay, so I have a Windows host running Windows subsystem for Linux, and you have a Mac. So we have all
Yeah.
three. I would just have to try and compile it and get it to you to see if it worked. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, well, I guess let's. So do I need? I think if I compile for Mac, I need to get this. So I have GCC for Linux. Okay. Which one should we
Right.
try first? So Linux is probably like a guaranteed to work. Just because I'm on Linux already. Should I try Windows first, or you want to try Mac
Yeah.
first?
Try Windows since you're. Yeah. Let's try Windows.
So I need this x86 Minwing. I don't know if I have that already. Okay. Oh, again, I haven't done this in a long time. This was way back in university when we had to compile things for different architectures. And then my
Right.
first job was Visual Basic 6, professional job that I got paid for. And
Ah.
that was just Windows only, and I stopped caring about Linux environment for a long time. Okay.
Mm.
So we have all this. So let's just leave everything as is, but I need to install, sorry, I was going to install that package. So it's not, okay, so in this case, we're not getting it. We're going to install it. Okay, so I learned the difference too between, so go install. This kind of installs like a tool system wide for you. Where go
Yeah.
git, this kind of installs it just for your project. So like Fyne, I think you have to install the tools, the command line tools, as well
Yeah.
as the go git as well to get the library, something like that. Okay, let's try
Yeah.
this and see what happens. Go get git. Oh, why don't I just cut and paste the whole thing? Okay, well, that was pretty painless. So now do I have this Fyne? Oh, there it is. Okay. Well, that looks pretty
Nice.
promising. Okay. Okay, so let's just try. We might as well just try building the Linux one,
Okay.
just because I'm on it.
Well, it's
So
least friction. Yeah.
yeah, no, I like you. Like, thanks, Omar. You're the voice of reason here. Otherwise, I just would have plowed ahead with the UI. Okay, so if I just try Fyne-Cross Linux, let's just try the very basic one and see what happens. Fyne-Cross Linux. Oh, look at this. Is it? Oh, it's using Docker. Oh, okay. I think it said that at the top, but this is, yeah, it's pulling a Docker. Oh, that's, oh, okay. Interesting.
Oh.
Ooh, that's a Oh, it's taking a while for some reason. Okay, cool. So, cannot. Go mod requires Go running Go. Oh, am I not running the latest version of Go? I think it's version, right?
Looks like you are.
Oh,
Something here, which I saw that might have to do with the error we saw earlier that you were getting. Go toolchain equals local. You see the right in that last message about where it's saying that you require a different version. Does that have anything to? So it says you're running Go. It says you're running Go 1.24.6. But it's also saying something about the Go tool chain.
I don't know if this is
And
from.
that being said,
I wonder if this is this being run from the Docker container?
yeah, well, I think you're right because it says um, it's after the is that the Docker image that it's talking about or the
I don't know. I'm opening up Docker here to see. Where's my little whale? There it is.
Fyne-Cross
Images. Okay, so here's the image here. This is a Fyne-Cross image. So if I connect to that, I wonder what I will.
Oh, yeah, the image is there. Yeah.
Yeah, I wonder what version of Go that's using. Wait, I don't remember how to. All right. How do I run a Docker container with a name? I don't remember. I always use Docker Compose because I just find it so much easier. It's gonna be Docker something.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Docker run. And then this. Okay. Oh, why won't it? Oh, can I not use the RM for this? Unable to find. Oh, where did it pull its image from? Oh, it pulled it from Fyne, not from Docker. But it should be.
I think, are you spelling fine? Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah. That was what it was doing.
There, let's just do this. I find this is like these AIs are kind of like the Stack Over, like they've really replaced Stack Overflow.
Yeah.
Oh, does it have a different? I just want to connect to the base latest. Is that really what it was? Docker run. Oh, it's pulling a whole new. I don't want that. These two are the same. Maybe I do need to specify that it's the Linux one. Which one did it? I should have paid more attention to what it pulled here. Oh yeah, it put Linux at the end. Okay. Okay, there we go. And then how do I get a bash shell? I forget this too. I think. Okay, is it running now? Oops. Go away, walkthroughs and stuff. Images. Okay, I don't have an actual container yet. Run -it. Bin.bash. Bin.bash, right? Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Now we're in. So if I go version here. Oh, okay. So this container is at Go version 124.
Oh.
And I think what happened
Okay.
there is I got the latest Go. Is it the sum file or mod? Oh, mod. Right. We specified Go version here of 125.5.
0.25.
Oh, that's
0.5.
interesting. So if we look at the
So there must be a way to specify for it.
yeah, like I want to see. It looks like they maybe don't have the latest images. Where's their tags look like? When did they push these last? 5 months ago. Uh-oh, that's not a good sign. Does not require as much specific data to use this image. Oh, what did we? Fyne IO Fyne-Cross.
You
Oh
installed
yeah,
the latest one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wonder if people are complaining. Go 2.25?
Yeah, 2.20, 1 point.
Is it 1? Oh yeah, 1, sorry.
For Go? Yeah, 1.25, yeah.
Oh, maybe we'll have to downgrade our Go image. Okay. Do they have this on? Here's the images. I wonder if there's a. Yeah, they released this back in August. Is people complaining already? Yeah. Look at this. Oh, they're using Zig. Oh, interesting. Okay. Yeah. Move to Alpine.
They haven't updated, yeah.
Okay. So let's. Oh, good thing we did this test here. Holy man. Okay, so let's. How do I install a different version of Go? I think there was a way. I think there was a way to install multiple versions of Go, right?
Yeah, I mean, I have multiple versions going right now on my system.
How did you do that?
So I was using Homebrew that's
Oh,
the manager for people use for Mac. But I think there must be a version manager for Go, right?
oh yeah. Here, Go install. The Go root value. Okay, let's see. To install. Okay, I do have Git, so that's fine. Okay. Well, it's kind of cool that they made it easy because I did a little bit of Rust development just to play around with it. Like a friend kind of wrote a game in Rust, and I played around with it. And it was kind of nice environment to set up. It was pretty cool. Like it wasn't as painful as C. Like I thought it was going to take me forever to get his game up and running on my Mac, and it just like once I just installed Rust, and it just found it had the right Rust version and everything. It was pretty amazing.
Oh.
DL Go 1. Oh, what version do we need?
It was 1.24.6, maybe.
I have a bad habit of clearing my screen all the time. I should quit doing that. Go.
I do that too. I can't stand having a mess to look at.
1.24.6 at latest, I guess.
Yeah, or 1.24 at least. I'm not sure. Yeah.
Okay. So that's still my default one. How do I see? Okay. Again, this is maybe where this will come in handy. How do I list all the Go versions installed? Oh, okay, Go version.
Yeah, GVM is the Go version manager. It's giving you a suggestion for that. But I guess you don't need it.
Oh, do we have GVM?
I think you have to install it.
Oh, there's a bunch of AS. Is this a thing? ASDF? I guess so. That's hilarious. Go version -M. Only accepts the M flag with arguments. Oh. What does that mean?
It's waiting for something after the -M, like.
Oh, my mistake. Oh, you just look at that folder. Okay, I guess that makes sense. How do I? Doesn't. Okay, this is not very helpful. The download location of the version you want to install. So can I just run? Let's just see. Go. Oops. Sorry, move this over a little bit. There we go. Go 1. Oh yeah, there. The 24.6. Not downloaded. Oh. Oh, I have to run another command. I think.
Yeah.
So I ran the install. And then do I need to go? Oh, okay. So there's a two-part. There's a two-part setup here.
Oh, okay.
I thought that download was really fast. Okay, now I can run. But you can now run.
It's still.
Oh, that's hilarious. So it says this. Unpacking home. Oh, put it in my folder. Oh, Go. This is not good.
Go 1.24 version is the version of Go 1.24 is Go 1.25.
And the Go root.
That's where humans come into the picture, you know?
I know, that's really funny. That 24.6 env Go root. It's still pointing to the
1.25, yeah.
oh, that's
I think
so
it's
weird.
because is it why would it be doing that? It's not. This has nothing to do with Fyne.
Maybe my bash
Your
RC.
Go is it to yeah, your bash RC. I was just thinking that. So do we have to change where it's pointing now to get to the Go compiler or the executable for Go?
Because I had to set this Go path for it to get Fyne to
Well,
work.
it must be now in a different path, right? The other version that you just downloaded.
Yeah, it looks like it put it in SDK folder. Yeah, it's right there. Okay, like it put it all in there. I'm assuming version is the oops. Yeah. Go version.
Do you have to untar that?
It looks like it already untarred it. Like everything, like is a lib folder,
Okay.
source. Like I think it did it already. That's really funny. That
So where's that existing? That the the Go compiler for that version,
which version?
the 1.24.
Oh, now it says the right one.
Oh, okay.
Did I lose my mind?
You didn't really do anything here besides you didn't change anything in the bash config file.
Oh, maybe it needed to do more downloading? No, but I tried it here. I didn't change anything in the bash RC.
Okay, well, it's working. I mean, that's disturbing a little bit, but
that makes me really nervous. I do
yeah.
this version. Okay. What was the other thing I was gonna try? env. Oh, maybe because I was in the. Oh, maybe because I was in. Maybe it's smart enough to know I was in the. Like if I run Go in here,
Right.
maybe it's reading this file, and that's why it's getting confused.
Oh yeah, right. That would make sense.
Yeah. Oh, okay. That's why it worked when we moved out of the file. So it's smart. Like .NET and stuff has similar. I think Ruby has it. Like you have a file. I think Node has the same thing. You have a file in your project, and you specify
Yeah.
what version, and it'll default to that one.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Yeah. I was wondering about that.
So do I just manually change this? I guess so, eh?
Give it a go. No
Give it
pun
a go.
intended.
Okay, so now it says this Go version. That's good. Uh,
Just try saying, yeah, like if you just say Go version
oh yeah, Go
in
version.
that directory.
Oh, it still says 20.
Okay.
That's okay. We probably have to tell it to point to this one somehow.
Yeah.
Think.
unless you, I guess it doesn't matter if you run it or build it again. It's like run the actual mod file.
Run
Shouldn't.
main.go, right? It's got to have to, oh, it'll take a minute because it's got to recompile it, I think, for this new version.
Yeah.
How do I set? Okay, maybe see if Claude knows the answer. How do I set the default version of Go to use? It's probably because my bash RC is pointing to the other Go, I guess. So
Yeah.
compile.
There you go. If you have multiple Go versions installed, it's still suggesting to manage them with a version manager.
Set go.go root.
To go.go root? Okay, might make sure that that's a thing.
Okay. How do I set the go.go root? I think it's a go root is that environment variable. Oh, yeah, there it goes.
Yeah.
Okay, so it all still works. Hooray!
That's good.
Oh, this is a Visual Studio thing that you'll tell it where your go root is. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, how do we,
So let's see.
I guess I could just leave it at that for now. Okay, that's fine. Let's see if that find command works now, or that cross compile.
Yeah.
What was that again?
Yeah, oh, here it's well in the if you look at the Go docs, it says, when you're installing multiple Go versions, so you went with the Go install and Go download, you ran those.
Yeah.
Now, when you have multiple versions installed, you can discover where each is installed. Look at the version's Go root value. For example, run a command such as the following: Go, 1.10, and then env Go root.
Right. Okay. Oh, yeah, this is the same. Okay. So you're saying run. So if I go env Go root. And then if I could go 1. Right? Oh, okay. Yeah. There we go.
Yeah. Oh, that's a good one. That's actually pretty useful.
Uninstalling Go. Okay, so let's try running this command again. Fyne-Cross Linux. Okay, so we have the Docker container. Well, it's thinking hard now. Okay. Oh yeah, we created this metadata in it. Oh, Fyne-Cross put in this whole. Okay, we'll have to ignore that, I guess. But oh. All right. Oh, packet. Okay, so it created a compressed tar package for me.
Okay.
because it's Linux. Where did it put it there? It put it in. Oh, in the
It's in your
Fyne-Cross.
PostCast.
Okay,
Fyne-Cross, yeah.
what I'm going to do before I forget is new file .get ignore, and we're going to ignore the Fyne. Oops. Okay. So I'm pretty sure we don't want to commit this to. Oh yeah. Okay. So if you look in the bin. That looks like an executable. Okay. Excuse me. Oh, just created for the 64-bit. Oh, okay. So there's the tar, which I'm assuming is just going to have the one file in it. Excuse me.
The executable for the Linux one?
Yeah. Oh, just the icon. Okay. So if I go look in the distribution, tar negative XVF.
You put tax though.
Oh,
You didn't put,
thank you.
yeah.
Oh, interesting.
It's a bunch of stuff here.
If I go look in bin. Oh, yeah. So if I run this. Okay.
Nice.
So that looks like that works. And then it's in the share. What's that? Is that just maybe this is for like the window manager or something? Like
Like the changes you made?
yeah, no, maybe this is like, I don't know what the heck that's for. Pixel maps. Oh, that's just the image. So if we had our own images, we could put them in there.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Cool.
that looks okay. So if I went here and I did the Fyne. Oh, actually, let's this distribution. Let's just get rid of this user. Delete user local. Yeah, it's fine. Cross Windows. Now I might need to install some other things for this, or maybe. Oh, right, it's gonna pull the Docker image down. Could not package the Fyne app. Oh. Locally, that's fine. Downloaded newer image. Missing app ID parameter for package. Oh. Oh, I was so excited there for a second.
Oh, the Windows one, no?
Okay. Where do I put the app ID? Oh, okay. We need like, if this is going into the Windows Store or the iOS Store or something, you need these like goofy IDs. Okay. Sure.
Okay.
Let's try that. Or pass it via the command line. Okay, let's just do it with the command line. App ID com.SaturdayMP .postcast. Yeah, we probably need to do the same thing for like a iOS, an Android build. Maybe because this is building it so it can go to the Windows Store. I don't know. Oh, I definitely like that though. Oh yeah, there's a Windows folder there now.
Okay.
So it didn't put any. Oh, it did. Okay, there's an executable. So that's probably Windows exe. And what did it make? Oh, it made a zip file. Oh, interesting.
Interesting.
So let's okay, I'm gonna copy that to my. I don't want to show this because it's got all my files and stuff on here, but I'm gonna copy it from my Windows subsystem from Linux to what do I want? Home, me, repositories, distribution. Yeah, sure. Let's take the distribution one. Let's see what's in that zip. Okay, so here's the zip file. Nope, did it not paste? Oh, did it put it in a different? Oh, it's because I have all my desktop icons disabled. Okay, what's the best way for me to show this? Maybe I will put it. Let's just put it in the downloads folder for now. I think, or no. Oh, okay. Let me just create a temporary file for this to put it in. Documents. Sorry. Okay, I can squish this. Great. Okay. So there's the zip. I don't know if I can make that any bigger or not, but so let's extract all because I'm curious to see what's in there. Okay, it's just the one executable. I don't know. Do I run a random executable on my Windows machine?
I mean, you want to live on the edge?
Okay. Okay, so it doesn't recognize it. That's fine. So I'm gonna run anyway. Let's do this. Hey!
Okay.
Oh, cool. Okay.
Okay.
Well, do we try it once more with Darwin and then I send it to you and you can share your screen and see if it works?
We could do that if you want, or we could also be content with that it's working on Linux and Windows for now, and just kind of
let's try one more.
okay.
We got this.
We've come this far.
Yeah, we've come this far. And I just used Darwin, I think, right? It's probably gonna ask me for the app ID again. Let's see. Darwin. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. The App Store.
Okay, so it's got to pull the Docker image for that. So when I set this up in like GitHub Actions, we'll have to SDK path is mandatory. Oh, do I need to build this on a? Okay, let me read the documentation. You might have to build this one.
Okay.
You also need to install the macOS SDK instructions in the download link. Yeah. For installation, place your package SDK in the tarballs directory. What is that?
Do you even have one?
github.com. Mount. Run. Oh, this is like they're taking the Xcode. Because can you even do this legally? I thought you needed Mac hardware to actually, like, not from a technical point of view, but from download Xcode, install clang, make.
I think it's okay because you have to be able to develop on, for cross platforms.
This is the same. This is OS X cross.
Like I don't think it wouldn't make sense to restrict you to having what it's like to have like a Mac to be able to.
Yeah, like for if you want, at least when I was doing like Xamarin programming, which is now .NET MAUI, by license you needed a Mac. Like even if you're developing on Windows to compile it for an iOS device, you needed Mac hardware. It was like a license requirement.
Okay.
See, if I was to do this in GitHub Actions, I don't think. Oh, okay. This is on a Mac.
Yeah.
On Linux. Okay. Yeah. So I have to like download Xcode. I have to do all this stuff. I guess run this, move this to the tarballs directory.
So that might be better for something to do on my end, or if you get your Mac up and running. But
yeah,
because it sounds like it's easier to do.
Well, let's just try it. Because I think I committed everything. Like the only thing I've done is install this Fyne-Cross. Do you want to try installing it on your Mac?
Sure, yeah, I could do that.
Do you want to share your screen?
Yeah.
And then we'll see if we can get this working. Yeah, because it's been almost an hour. Yeah, and then hopefully we don't need to. Because when I actually do this, like with GitHub Actions, we can use a Mac. Like we could compile Windows and Linux on a Linux GitHub Actions runner. And then we use a Mac GitHub Actions runner to compile the Mac version.
Right.
Okay, so here, I'll how do I get I'm going to stop sharing, and then hopefully you can share your screen.
Yeah.
And I'll throw it up on the window here.
Okay. So.
Oh, give me 1 sec to figure out how to do this here. View. I want you. I just want your screen. I don't want our pictures. No, that's not good either. Oh, no. Okay, that's okay. Aha. Oh, but I will have to. Okay. So if I put you over here, and then, I don't know, maybe we'll hide our faces because we've got faces built for radio. There we go. Now our faces aren't showing. All right. So I think I have everything committed to the repo, like that main. Oh, the only thing is you'll have to make sure you have the same version of Go installed.
Yeah.
Mm.
So you're thinking I should
No, actually,
just
you should be okay because that Fyne-Cross will download that Docker image. You just have to change the version of Go in that file because I haven't committed that yet.
so should I just clone the repo that you've got at this point? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, if you have it already, or whatever you set some up the other day, right? So
Yeah, I mean, I set like so far.
yeah, you got it right there.
No,
So
yeah, I've got this stuff. It's not like I was still kind of setting up the Git remote, but I
yeah, so
didn't
if you
get
go to
that
that
far.
Go mod and then you change that version
Yeah.
to 1.24.6.
Which I should install and download.
I don't think you'll need to for the Fyne-Cross. It should be okay. And
Okay.
then,
Then I
oh,
guess
maybe not. I don't know. That's tough.
well, should we just try running it and see? So this is
Sure.
the uh go install. Yeah. Okay, so that's installed, and for earlier versions of Go, you need to use the following command instead. Go get.
Yeah, but that's Go 1.16, so we're way ahead of that.
Oh, okay. All right. And now the instructions for um the app, the Darwin.
Yeah, so if you just run Fyne-Cross Darwin, and then you have to put the API. What was that API key thing?
Fyne-Cross.
I'll share you the command that I ran here.
Okay.
Boom. That's the command I ran.
All right.
The app ID can be basically whatever.
Okay. Could not package the Fyne app. So we ran this command. So there's an incorrect usage provided but not defined app build. Okay. And yeah, flag provided but not defined. App build could not package the Fyne app, could not package the Fyne app. So, well, I didn't provide that, right? App build. Who provided that and didn't define it? So,
Flag provided, but do you have Xcode installed on your Mac?
yeah, it should be. Somewhere.
Yeah, that could be the issue if there's no Xcode installed. And sometimes too, you have to run Xcode like for the first time just to get the thing to Oh, you got Xcode there. So if you just double click on Xcode down below,
Yeah.
if you just open, sometimes it's like it has to install stuff the first time you run it.
Okay. So it's
Better, and I can take a look to see what.
oh yeah, okay, it's got to install. So select the platforms you'd like to develop for macOS built in. So this is already built in. But let's see. Okay. Put in.
If that takes a while, maybe this will be the end of this test here. But
Yeah, I'm not sure. Let's see. Yeah, because I guess you would have had to do the same thing. Um, you would have had to download and install Xcode on your machine.
Yeah. What was that error
Um,
you were getting? Flag not flag provided but not defined app build.
Yeah, that's right.
So let's say fine.
Okay, it looks like it's in there. Like Xcode is running version 15.2. I guess I might not be able to see it. It's not picking it up when I run it in the terminal, but at least the GUI version seems to be active. So I don't know. Maybe if I try running that again, that's the same thing. App build is provided but not defined. So let's see here. Let's do a search Fyne-Cross app build flag provided but not defined. Darwin.
Oh, you use the Brave browser. Do you like it?
Yeah, I was trying to get out of just using Chrome. Um, so it's a Chromium base. So I mean it's got a lot of the advantages of Chrome, which is nice.
Oh, okay.
But I know people don't like the Brave people, so I don't know. Maybe it's controversial to be using Brave now. Um,
Not a valid option. Check your command syntax. We put the app ID in there.
yeah,
We didn't do the app version or anything like that. It shouldn't need it. Oh, they got a dash dash app ID. Does that matter? It shouldn't. They didn't complain about that.
no.
What is your command there? Fyne-Cross app dash ID.
Name, your app name, app ID we had, app version icon. Okay. Um,
Do we need to
how
put
did
in?
that differ from, so we ran um, just Darwin app ID. I mean, the only difference here is we just didn't add a lot of these flags. It doesn't seem to be like, what is app build is the question here. So, Fyne-Cross, build Darwin. Okay. Um, hmm. App build. Maybe if I just search that for now. So Fyne-Cross app build flag.
Oh, maybe it needs an app, a version, like a version number.
Yeah.
Maybe that's what it's missing.
Linux, Windows. This is all the Linux stuff, but there's nothing about the.
Okay, cross
Okay, so
compile from not Darwin links to okay, but we're not doing that. We're on a Darwin machine.
yeah.
Maybe just try specifying a build value, like a build number.
So
So like it's got the
Is it app ID? Like, or app?
um
None of these guys had
two
um
dashes, right?
there is an app. Oh, is it talking about the app ID doesn't have an argument or doesn't have a it's not defined?
App
There should be
build
something here.
is not defined.
Yeah, but I'm wondering if
So I think we have app ID. If we don't have app ID, it's gonna complain.
yeah.
But I think we need like if you put another argument in
Let
there.
me let me try to just sorry, let me just try to remove that for a minute
Oh yeah, sure. Yeah, I
and
bet
just
you it'll
see.
complain. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, app ID is mandatory. Okay.
So now put
Um
another argument, just dash app dash build,
dash build.
and then put like I don't know, whatever your favorite number is.
Okay. Is it equals like one or
I
something?
don't think so. I would just do the same format as we did the other ones.
Okay.
Yeah, and just see if
Okay.
that. Oh,
Same
same error.
error. Yeah.
You may specify the. Oh, maybe it is a. Like there, it's got two dashes. Dash dash app build.
Well, I spelled it. Okay.
We're getting all sorts of things now.
Yeah. So now it's saying
It's like provided but not
usage
defined. Oh, okay.
by program but not defined.
App.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's an app. Yeah, if you go up there, there was an app dash build.
Okay.
Um, right there.
Yeah. And then the integer, which is what I did
Yeah, try
before. Build number should be greater than 0 and incremented for each build. The default's already 1,
one.
right?
Did you
So
did you put app.build with a lowercase b? I think you did, right? Yeah.
yeah. Let's try a different number, maybe. Same thing.
Flag
Same
provided but
thing
not
here.
defined. App build. Oh,
Should be
interesting.
greater than 0. Um, hmm. That's interesting. Um, Darwin app ID, app build in the integer. Not defined, but isn't it defined though? Like, is it not picking up on that? App build, I'm spelling it right. Right? I mean, I'll even copy this, but don't see how that would make a difference. Okay. Integer, well, 4 is an integer. Hmm. And then here it's camel casing it for some reason, which is a bit confusing, but okay. Well, that's pretty odd. I wonder. Um, app build. App build. Let's just so Fyne-Cross app build. Hmm, Darwin. Cross compile for not Darwin. Well, what about if I'm just compiling on
Go
Darwin build
maybe go look
attached?
at their issues in in this Fyne-Cross and look for like Darwin or something. See if other people are complaining.
Okay. Those compilations are supported.
And are you on Are you on like an M2 Mac or M3? Or are you still on
I'm still on Intel.
Intel? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, there.
Oh, it's the first one.
That's the first one.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, this
That's
is
what we tried. Yeah.
that's what we tried. Yeah. So, um, okay, and this is the same error, right? Incorrect
Yeah.
usage, flag provided but not defined. So the version of Fyne-Cross you're using needs the older Fyne CLI before migrating to the tools repository. Either downgrade the local Fyne version or patch it with the not yet landed 334. This should only be a problem for Darwin, as Fyne-Cross for other systems uses a bundled version in the container.
I don't really know what that means.
Okay.
Is it your local CLI that's the problem? Because your Fyne
Downgrade the
CLI,
local, so
local
like just
Fyne.
the Fyne.
Or sorry, what is it? Yeah, like what? Yeah, what version?
The CLI version is 1.7.0 apparently. And it's saying or patches the not yet landed. So use correct flags after tool sync. Changed Fyne CLI flags after report on Slack. This is a patch, I guess, for the Fyne-Cross. I don't know which version this is, though.
Yeah, they haven't even merged
Number
it to main yet, so.
Right. Yeah, that's right. Wants to merge 14 commits into master. Not yet landed. Right. Okay, that's what that means. So it says downgrade
The
to
local.
the.
Well, yeah, what do we downgrade it to,
It
though?
doesn't. Well, it doesn't say.
If we scroll up, what version of Fyne are they using up top there? Oh, okay. Fyne.
1.7.0.
Is it 2 points? Or do we
And
even try to fix this now, or do we just kind of like hope it'll get fixed in the future and then we don't worry about it?
this is pretty recent.
Yeah, this is really recent, so. And it looks like they have a PR for it. I don't know. Do you want to go to the trouble of downgrading Fyne and everything?
It's sort of like shooting in the dark right now because I mean, which version to install here
Yeah,
for Fyne-Cross, right?
They didn't specify, yeah.
No, and this has not been merged. Like,
And they're in Fyne-Cross. Yeah. So the next version of Fyne-Cross will have go to the files changed. Let's see what they changed. It's got 14 commits. It's a lot of commits for 5 files, but the mod and some, okay, we don't care about those, I don't think.
looks like this is where the action is.
I'm not 100% sure what all that's doing, but oh, there's the app.
No.
App build is down below. Oh, okay. So they fixed. Okay, yeah, maybe something changed in the Xcode toolchain or something,
Right.
and they need to they need to fix it. Something like that. That would be my guess.
Mm.
Well, I don't know. My thought is just to say to heck with trying to trying to get it to pack, because you can run it, right? Like you can, if you do just go run main.go, it works, right?
Yeah. Oh
Yeah.
yeah. So I mean, if I just go run, um, not gop run, but go run. Um,
Oh, you put a
no, it should still work. Uh,
okay. So yeah, as long as you can run it, because then you and I can work on it together. As long as you can run it, and then we can figure out the packaging
yeah.
later. So
Yeah, it looks like it's right. It's right here. I think this is
oh yeah, there you are.
yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. So yeah, I maybe not like as because hopefully it gets patched soon.
Yeah, I think it
Um,
will. I'm sure there's other people are whining and complaining about it. Like we saw the one person there. So
yeah, I think we should be able to get cracking on it now. You know, worst comes to worst, it's work. You know, just start a Linux system and run it. You know, run it on the Raspberry Pi for now.
yeah, yeah, cool. Okay, well, thanks for
Yeah,
checking. I think this is, I don't know, it's definitely a break time for sure. What time is it? Yeah, I don't know. This seems like a good place to end the video at least. And then yeah, we got it. We got the package commands working. So I guess the next
yeah.
thing we should do. Oh wait, your face is in full view all of a sudden.
Oh,
It's
okay.
okay. That's why we edit them. So we don't want you edit the
Yeah.
video. Um, yeah, so we can edit or end the video here, I think.
Yeah. I'm gonna keep cracking away at it, like
Yeah.
with the to try to actually compile it. But I think that's a good thing to try on my own.
Yeah. But yeah, I don't
Yeah.
know. That was just cool. That was a really good suggestion. So that was fun to poke around on that. And then yeah, maybe we'll set up the GitHub actions too, just to start building things even with our little test app. That's probably not a bad idea. And then we can start pulling them down and just running them on our local computers to see if they work.
Yeah.
So
I think that's a really good idea. Because we're the users at this point. So
yeah, yeah, it'll just be you, me, and Norm just to smoke test this thing, and then I'll use it probably for other stuff I need to post to, and then if it seems to work
yeah.
good, then we'll after we alpha or / beta test it for a bit, we can release it to the general public. And
Yes, I
hopefully,
think this is what they call eating your own dog food.
yeah, yeah, we'll see how good it tastes. So, uh,
Yeah.
cool. Yeah, well, thanks, Omar, for joining me. Maybe we'll have to schedule another time to do this. This was a lot of fun.
Yeah, for sure. I enjoyed it.
Yeah. So, well, thanks everyone for watching. If you found this useful, do the like, subscribe thing, especially if you liked Omar, then definitely like and subscribe. And say you want more of him. Yeah, if you have any constructive feedback too, you can always send that to ask@SaturdayMP.com. Or I don't know, only constructive feedback in the comments down below. We don't need any nasty stuff because there's already enough nasty stuff on the internet. We don't need any more. The limit's been reached. So, yeah, thanks for
Yes.
watching, everyone. I hope you have a great day, and we'll catch you next time. And yeah, thanks again, Omar, for joining.
No worries. Hope to do it again sometime.
Okay, take care, everyone. Bye.